The question is, how do managers differ? We've identified that they differ through levels, different types, functions, and skills. Today I'd like to talk to you about how we differ at varying levels and types of management at those levels. When we think of different levels of management within organizations, I want you to think about a pyramid. When we look at this pyramid, we'll look at 3 different levels. First and foremost, we have your frontline managers. And this frontline management is often who you report to or where your first job in management may be. In the middle, fittingly, we have middle managers. And at the top, we have our top levels of management. Now, we use a pyramid for 2 reasons. And I want you to know these 2 reasons. 2 reasons being, first, at the top, we will have maybe one executive director or CEO. But at the bottom here, we're going to have many more employees and managers. Who do those managers actually manage? Well, it's you. When you start out in the industry, it's the operatives. Those people hands-on, on the ground, making it happen. The second reason we use a pyramid is because it's hierarchical. Okay, so you start at the frontline management, move to middle management, and then top management. The types of managers at each of the levels is something I'd also like you to know. At frontline management, we would have individuals that are project managers. These project managers may manage coordinators, assistants, interns, and as I mentioned, would be the first level of management that you would naturally step into. At the middle management, we actually have what we call functional managers. The functional managers would be in charge of functional areas such as marketing, finance, operations, or HR. And at the top, we would typically have your general managers, who in sport organizations are often indicated or identified as your CEOs or executive directors. So there it is. I want you to be able to look at this and go, okay, I'm entering the field as an operative, but what level of management do I aspire to? What job descriptions I want to look at to then be able to move through the pyramid, ultimately, if it's for you, to a middle management or top management position. So know those levels of management and the relevant types of management at each level.